Okay guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make a business card mockup here in Canva. So after you've opened Canva, first thing that we want to do is you want to open a empty canvas. So it doesn't matter whatever the size of this is going to be because it will only serve as our base. So I'm just going to click on this one. Then I'm going to click on create a blank canvas. And from here, you want to go to the left sidebar, then click on apps. Then you want to search for mockup. Then you want to click on the first app. And from here, there are a lot of frames that you can choose from. So since we're going to make a business card mockup, you can select a frame from smartphones, from computers, from frames, from graphics, or from tables and TV. Just take your time to choose your frame. So since we're going to create a business card mockup, I'm just going to click on this one. And then you can readjust it to your canvas as you'd like. And after you've done that, you want to go back to the left sidebar, click on Uploads, then click on Upload Files. Then you want to upload your digital business card. Then just click on the uploaded photo, then drag it into the frame. Then just click on the photo, then click on Edit, and then you can readjust the photo as you'd like. And after you've done that, just click on Share over here at the top, and click on Download, and that's it. Thanks for watching.